What I try to tell you, this country, you gotta make the money.
I'm on my cash.
Then when you get the money,
263.
you get the power.
Yes,
Then when you get the power, then you get the woman.
Told the B word about my C word. Selling everything from the E word to the D word. I heard your little mixtape, but it was T word. There's no me, 16th letter, the P word. Nigga, you know I'm about violence, nigga B word. And nigga, I'm about the other letter, nigga G word.
I been gangster, that's that G word. Yeah. Money, power, respect, that's like 3 words. Bad bitch from North America, she know 3 words. I told the bitch, just do it, just like Nike. I told the bitch she wanna drink some beer, give her some Heineken.
I'm Super Macc, I think she like me. I be having guns on me, you can't fight me. Bah! Chains on all of my brothers, cause they icy. Bling. She feeling on my dick, nope, she feeling on that pipe. See, I don't fuck with no soda, got the juice like a Heisey.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, we sippin' on that fucking juice. Bad bitch. Yeah, she with her friend, my brothers coming too. Niggas know, we get in that mode when we in the booth. New bitch, she gon' bring that pep cause she know I'm the truth. We need more than 10. My brothers coming for all, coming for the win. Me and brothers, nigga.
We trying not to stand.
Try not to sin, bet I'm riding dolo. Hit him in the head, not a nigga no more. Smoking on the high tide, got me moving slow-mo. If I mention your name, nigga ain't getting no free promo. It's 4 p.m. and I'm chilling with my nigga. After that, I'm finna go check up on my bitch. Right after that, nigga, I'm back up to the grind. Back to the grind, bitch, I do it every time. Niggas see me and see I'm snorting a line. Niggas see me, I'm know I'm pushing a line. Bitch see you and know do it every time. Tuck tail every time. Niggas out here dropping. Niggas out here dropping dimes. Niggas out here dropping lines. Niggas doing it every time. Niggas out here doing time because they cannot do the time.